Namaste Pure Divine Souls, welcome to Pure Mindfulness. In this video I will tell you how to activate Kundalini energy. We all have the energy in our body. When we are in our mother's womb, our energy flowing started. How to activate Kundalini energy? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible, but it takes some practice. And in this video, I will tell you some techniques and tips to activate your Kundalini energy. Kundalini energy is very powerful. It takes some practice, daily practice and dedication. You give some time, practice, and then your Kundalini energy awakening. What is Kundalini energy? Kundalini energy is highest form of energy. Yogis and some sages, meditators, these people are activated their Kundalini energies through meditation and yoga, some other yogic ways. In this video, I will tell you step by step how to activate Kundalini energy in easy steps. Kundalini energy is like snakes. Our DNA also like snakes. Okay, we have 7 chakras in our body. Mooladhara or basic chakra, Swadhisthana or sacral chakra or sex chakra. The next one is Manipura or navel chakra. Some people called solar plexus chakra in this location. And the fourth one is heart chakra or Anahata chakra. Fifth one is throat chakra. Or sixth one is Agna chakra, also called third eye chakra. The seventh one is Sahasrara chakra. Sahasrara means 1000 petals. Chakra means energy center. These energy centers activated through meditation, some other yogic ways. Meditation is the easiest way and the right way to activate your Kundalini energy. Practice daily meditation. Beginners is not advisable to awake your Kundalini energy because the Kundalini energy is very powerful. The person, non-meditating person, not bear the energy in their bodies. This is very, very powerful. That's why first of all you need to practice meditation at least 41 days. After that, practice meditation, Kundalini meditation. In this video, I will tell you Kundalini meditation. In this meditation, awake your Kundalini energy in your body. Kundalini energy give you so much clarity in your life and give you wisdom and knowledge. Understand the God, understand the nature. First of all, focus on your basic chakra. Basic chakra also called Mooladhara chakra. Mooladhara means roots of the body. You take the tree, the roots are very important to growing the tree. In that same way, in our body, Mooladhara chakra is very important. Mooladhara chakra gave us strength, stamina, physical fitness, mental fitness and decision making power. The first chakra, and this chakra gives us meditation, calmness. First activate your basic chakra or Mooladhara chakra. Focus on your Mooladhara chakra. Close your eyes and focus on your Mooladhara chakra. Mooladhara chakra location is below the spine. Focus on your Mooladhara chakra. This chakra color is red color. Imagine a red chakra activating right now in your body. Just observe. Do this at least 15 minutes daily. In one day, activation of your Kundalini energy is not possible. It takes some time. It takes some days to give you the results of awakening. Dedication and regular practice give you the positive results of awakening your Kundalini energy. Practice 2 to 5 days in your basic chakra or Mooladhara chakra. After that, imagine orange color in your sex area, male or female sex area. Swadhisthana chakra, also called sex chakra, orange color. Close your eyes and imagine orange color chakra is rotating, energized in your sacral area, sex area. Do this at least 10 to 15 minutes daily. 2 times or 3 times, that depends on your free time. Practice it. The next chakra is solar plexus chakra. Here, some people, some yogics trust Manipura chakra or navel chakra. You can use anywhere. Solar plexus chakra and also Manipura chakra gives the same results. Manipura chakra and solar plexus chakra give warmth in your body, give strength, balance in your body, physical fitness give you, and light yellow color. Focus on your solar plexus chakra. The chakra glowing and spinning. Do this exercise for at least 10 to 15 minutes daily and do your meditation, normal breathing meditation, also chakra meditation. In our channel, I will give you the meditation music video in the description box. You can check. If you are not able to concentrate in your meditation, you can use that meditation to relax your body and concentrate in your meditation. The next, Anahata chakra, also called heart chakra, light green color. Focus on yourself and observe your heart chakra. This is also 10 to 15 minutes practice. If you have any doubts while you are meditating or after meditation, you can also ask me in the comment section. I will give you the answer. I will help you in this process. The next, throat chakra. This chakra is blue color. Focus in this throat area 10 to 15 minutes. Do the exercise. You can also use mantras to activate your chakras. The next one is Ajna chakra, also called fate chakra, third eye chakra. Focus on this third eye area, and you may feel pain in this area. That's not a problem, it is common. No need to worry. Just continue your meditation. The next one is crown chakra, also called Sahasrara chakra. Focus on your crown chakra 10 to 15 minutes. It takes overall body 7 chakras. The first one is Mooladhara, also called basic chakra, root chakra. Number 2, Swadhisthana chakra, also called sacral chakra or sex chakra. Number 3, solar plexus chakra, this area. Number 4, heart chakra, also called Anahata chakra. Number 5, throat chakra. Number 6, third eye chakra. Number 7, crown chakra, also called Sahasrara chakra. Daily focus on your one chakra. 3 to 4 days spent in one chakra. For example, 1 to 4 days focus on your basic chakra, also called Mooladhara chakra. Next 4 days practice meditation in your sacral chakra. The next 4 days focus on your solar plexus chakra. The next 4 days heart chakra. The next 4 days throat chakra. The next Ajna chakra. The next crown chakra. This is the right way to activate your chakras. Your body also feel comfort, and your body also capable the energy. Kundalini energy is very powerful. That's why you need to prepare your body to handle the energy in your body. Practice this meditation daily. It takes some time, but once you awake your Kundalini energy, you understand your life very, very wisely. You understand yourself, you understand God, you understand the nature. That's why if you want to truly awaken your Kundalini energy, this is the right way. If you have any doubts about meditation, mindfulness, you or let me know in the comment section. I am happy to answer your questions. and also we create basic meditation videos in our channel. I will give the links in the description box. You can also watch the videos of how to meditation, how to remove negative energy from your body, and so many important videos links I will give you in the description box. Please check, and also listen mindfulness and meditation videos. I will give the links in the description box. You can check, and you can also join our social work and helping others, Fabs Charitable Trust. If you are interested to helping others, if you want to join in this good work, you can also check and subscribe our Fabs Charitable Trust and daily listen peaceful relaxing music. It will help you to remove negative energy, give the positive energy, and give strength, happiness, and give you the positive results in your life. If you have any doubts about meditation, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Namaste.